Good morning, guys. Let me turn on the TV. TV's not turning on. Let me turn on the light. Light's not turning on. Let me go into the main house. Nothing's turning on. The snowstorm. Check out our electric. If this is gonna be worsening weather in the future, I have to figure it out. Alicia is working. Hopefully she makes it there in good time and is safe and sound there. Yesterday she spun 3 times, a full turn 3 times, and the weather wasn't even as bad as it is now. I have to get some heat working. We do have a propane tank. Unfortunately, it has not been used in a while and there is no propane. So first I have to make my way into the snow, through the snow, to get to the door to the garage and get that. It's not safe for us or the animals. Right now, it's all about the propane and getting us warm, and then we'll go from there. We have electric heat. So when we have electric, we have no heat. And that is why I am freezing. First thing I said was, oh my God, babe, it is so cold. She goes, you're never cold, you're always hot. I'm like, I've been cold all night and I couldn't figure it out. I think we lost electric in the middle of the night. Sometime after 1 when we actually went to sleep. So I have never actually pumped or added kerosene to the heater before. Alicia always does it. Why? I don't know. I think it's because she did it the first time. I wonder if you guys can hear this. Maybe because the first time she did it, but she just kind of just started doing it and doing it. Every time we needed more, she would do it. The thing is, I don't know when it's full. I don't know if it tells you, or do you have to kind of look? Which makes me super nervous that you have to look, because if it overflows, you're kind of screwed. No way. Oh my God, no way. Is that a gauge? What does that say? Oh my God, I'm so stupid! There's a gauge here the whole time. It tells me if it's empty or full, and it is full. It's probably been full. All right, let's see if this bad lad works. The one we all have been waiting for. Got it! Out here. I'm looking over here thinking, okay, I can see with the temperature. Oh my God. Oh my God. Being that we have no heat, I'm not sure how long we can stay here. I'm super nervous that this isn't going to work because it's, oh, it worked. Oh, ooh. It's not strong enough, but it'll keep me warm. Now that the propane heater is turned off, it is getting cold really quickly, and typically it stays warm in that room for a decent amount of time. But I actually am feeling like a good 6 degree difference in the past like 5 minutes, so a degree each minute. Isn't she like the freaking cutest? She's like under her blanket. This is kind of life, off grid. Now yes, we are not technically off grid. We technically are not on a homestead. But that is our future plans. You know, we got electric because it was easy and we needed it. Technically, we legally needed it to move in. electric, we don't have heat. Am I regretting being here and us getting this place? No, it's different, and I enjoy it. I don't know. It's just nice feeling this like solitude, this feeling of home and warmth. I really enjoyed going outside and hearing nothing but nature. The birds and the branches and trees move side to side and cracking, or the wind just moving between the trees. And depending on the season, if there's leaves on the ground, them rustling within one another. I love that so much that I don't mind days like today where we're struggling to keep ourselves busy and keep ourselves warm. But at the same time, you know, that's just what it is around this time, is these years, you know, this decade, cell phones and computers and Netflix and Hulu's, that's just what we need. But do we? All right. Oh, my life. Not bad, it's super hot. And it literally took us fast as if it was like on the stove, which is a win for me. So this is our new table that Alicia and I got. We found it at Menards. Haven't really used it, and I don't want to mess it up because this is super hot and I don't want to mess up any plates or bowls. So I'm just gonna eat out of this very carefully. Wow. I'm using a piece of bag. Woohoo! The electric is turned back on. Just got a message from one of our friends, aka one of our neighbors, and I think everyone's excited because we got electric back maybe an hour ago. And we were gifted something. So we are walking down the driveway to see what it is. Our mailbox is also broken. And there is our gift. It's a half drinking bottle of Captain Morgan and a thing of cherry Coke. All right. Thank you, neighbors. It's like when you go outside and you listen, and it's so quiet, yet so loud. That is what I enjoy the most about being in the middle of the forest. You get to hear things that you normally don't hear when you are in city life. And I would do this all over again.
Hey! So it looks like I'm getting ready for an episode of Dexter. First time using my saw! Let's see how well I did. Oh, you know what? This is a skinny piece. So in order to finish the header up here for the door, I'm using some old lumber that I found in the garage or probably in the house somewhere. It's being repurposed, reused. So there's all kinds of mold on here, all kinds of nails, and it's all rough and raggedy. So what I'm going to do is pull these nails, clean up some of this mold, cut off the rough bits, measure it, and cut the right size.
That's what she said.
Totally fine. Taking all these nails out of these boards. This was the original frame for the door that's going to be put up. And so, yeah, I'm going to take all these nails out. I'm going to sand it down. Resurface it and make it look real nice. And then put it back up. It's crazy, like this was all sitting off in a corner. Didn't know where it went or what door frame it went to, and then finally realized it goes to the bathroom. So it's the bathroom door. And then these nails, they actually match up in the holes, the nail holes that are in the wall over there. So yeah, so we figured out what direction it originally opened and all that, and we originally thought that it was going to open into the kitchen, but then seeing that it originally opens into the bathroom, that's perfect because it'll take a lot less space away from this area. So the bathroom door stays in the bathroom. And you're like carrying the whole thing.
Alright guys, so you haven't seen me all day today. I've been editing because we had no electric yesterday. So, she just called me a standing master. Not true. But, we are trying to get this door in the bathroom. It's the only door that was really left here at the cabin that we absolutely love, and it's literally the only one that was left. And it fits in the bathroom, so we're assuming that's where it originally went. Super vintage, super original. And we found the door frame that it came with. So, wait, what did I say?
We found the door frame. I was like, I knew where the door frame was this whole time.
Okay, fine. She knew where the door frame was, but she had me call my dad and ask if we could do this without a door frame. And now all of a sudden she knew there was a door frame. But we spent like 20 minutes on the phone with my dad about a door frame. Some don't sound right. Okay, so I'm going to stain this and try to get as close to the door color as possible. Eek. Looks kind of dark. Yeah, so this wood takes it just like the other ones. It's dark. So maybe two 2x4s and then the 1/4 inch. Bringing the door up higher.
I need to know how these make the door sit.
So excited! I just can't hide it. What?
I just can't hide it.
I know. I want to. Different words.
Same, we'll create our own trim pieces. Okay. I gotta make sure this is the right direction. I need to like this side first to put the door up, and then I can make sure that side lines up properly.
Alright, sounds like a plan. Lady in yellow. Woo, did you see that fire? Woo, did you see that fire?
What's this? This is a hinge pin. And it's going in the door.
There's a door! Maybe?
That's fun.
The door fits too tight. But it fits perfectly, but perfectly too tight. I haven't showed you guys these, but aren't these just the cutest? I had one when I was at my dad's where you put like a see-through piece of plastic or glass, depending, and you put it on your window so you can see what's happening inside. So this is what it actually looked like in color, the wood. And then I just stained them today. We'll probably need more than two, but super cute. And Alicia thankfully brought up the fact that not staining the inside because of all the chemicals for when there's living beings in them.
I don't want the babies getting sick.
The bees? Oh, the babies. I heard the bees.
Babies.
So, but super cute.
I don't know why she left you recording. It's almost 8 o'clock. This is why you build the frame around the door and then put that thing in. Oh. One way or another, the door is going in. Bye. All done.
So, it's another day, and I'm just going to quickly tell you guys what my plan is, and you guys will see some clips of me creating this artwork. So, last night, Alicia did the door, and you see this space here, which is the header. Now, yes, the header, we know how to make a header, but we didn't know, we're just gonna skip over it. This is how the header is. So, it's a big block. So I'm going to take a piece of flat wood, and put it in that place so it's one solid piece over this way, and then instead of using drywall. So this is the piece. It's not perfect, but it's fine. So I'm not sure how this is gonna work because I had the idea of using like these thin pieces of wood, which is shims that you, shimmy under other pieces of wood and anything else. But I knew that they tapered, so they're bigger and then they get skinnier. I really wanted them to be one size. I don't care how thin or how thick they were. I mean, I guess I did care about that, but that wasn't the issue. I couldn't find any, I can only find tapered. So, the idea is to basically put these, I don't know, in such ways. I would cut these in pieces and then stain them. I was going to create things that made it look like, what do you call it, like mountains, but I'm really not sure how this is gonna look. but it's not still. This is what it would look like. I tried to put this here so we can get an idea. I'm going to have to just tape this up so it can dry while it's up. But that is what it should look like. Stay up for them. And then, of course, one of these would be on this side and then one on this side. I don't know, I think it's interesting, it's different, it's cabiny feel. I don't hate it. I hope Alicia likes it.